This video is for educational paper. This video is for education and paper. Qala ividiyo mfethu. Qala ividiyo mfethu bangizwile. Are you looking for someone and awumtholi? Have you tried everything and you still don't know where he or she is? The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Go to Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, or Huawei Play Store and download an app called eSherlock. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi with iSherlock app all you need is isithombe and you can find uFacebook wakhe, uTwitter wakhe, uInstagram wakhe and every single social media awusebenzisayo, even nalo akufihlela wona wena ongawazi. Understand ukuthi all you need is isithombe. You can literally take a picture of umuntu oyihambelayo just walking on the streets, and once you upload isithombe sakhe, you know every single social media awusebenzisayo and understand. But wait, there's more. With iSherlock app, if you know igama lakhe, the name, if you know isurname yakhe isibongo, you can just upload it on the app and ask it anything, and it will answer you according to the information it has. Ngalo muntu ofuna ukwazi ngaye. You can ask ukuthi, does he or she have a girlfriend? Where does he or she hang out? Where is he or she right now? You can find it. Gone is stress. You no longer have to ask yourself, ukuthi, she is online in WhatsApp, he is online in WhatsApp, but they are ignoring me. Because with the Sherlock app, all you need is to press a button and it will tell you, ukuthi, right now, the person you are looking for is active kakhulu ku Instagram, is active kakhulu ku TikTok, is active kakhulu on Facebook, or is currently using Chrome. It will tell you which platform is he using right now, because even though online WhatsApp, he might not be WhatsApp, he might be TikTok watching videos, he might be on Facebook talking my DM, he might be Chrome watching. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, I'm sure you're asking yourself ukuthi, how does it work? Understand ukuthi it's either you upload a sithombe that you already have on your phone of that person, or you literally take out your phone and you take a picture. But once the picture is on the app, it does something called facial mapping. It measures unique facial features of that person. That means it can measure the distance between eyes, shape of the nose, jawline yakhe, mouth weight yakhe, ne-cheekbone placement yakhe. That means a modern system can analyze dozens, even hundreds of facial data points at a time, so that it can help you accurately locate lo muntu omfunayo. And understand, siphelile istress of asking yourself ukuthi, how did my girlfriend look when she was in high school? Who was my boyfriend dating when he was in high school? Understand ukuthi all you need is isithombe and it will show you every single thing he or she has posted ever since azalwa. Understand ukuthi as long as kukhona isithombe sakhe on the internet, uzosazi. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi there are factors that improve the accuracy of the app. As long as the picture you are using has good lighting, front-facing image, a high resolution and a neutral-facing expression, then it's easier ukuthi umthole. But if lo muntu omfunayo likes to wear mask, glasses, heavy on makeup, and is starting to age, who has poor image quality, and even extreme angles, uposta angles esingawazi, it's kind of hard to locate. It's possible, but it's hard. All you need is a picture, and I promise uzomthola. Just download the Sherlock app.